So real quick before I get to streaming with Cap, my mod Clock sent me something in the post, and it heavy. It is a great big box of goodies. So yeah, thank you so incredibly much, Clock. I'm gonna stab it. I didn't find a knife in time, but I found a screwdriver. So I'm gonna use a screwdriver and I'm gonna stab it. I missed the tape. It's a screwdriver! I won't. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. Ow! Sounds safe. Yeah, it's super safe. You know? Cog, how much tape did you use? Okay, you know what? I'm fine. It's I got it. Ow. Ha! If anybody wants me to do unboxing, I'll get a knife next time. I promise. Point away? Oh, yeah, I should have done that, shouldn't I? Like, shh. It's like you use enough tape to require a knife. But I've got a screwdriver. Why would I need a knife? Duh. What is this? Wait. Oh, that's cute. Talk beauty to me. It says talk beauty to me. That is so cute. My next trip, I'm definitely gonna use this. That is so cute. Oh, look! It's got sequins! It's so shiny! Oh my god! And sometimes Grace. Look, okay, look. I walk like I'm tall. Oh my gosh, this box is full. I'm only gonna be able to show you like a little bit of this box. But there's like stickers to go over your nails. That is so cute. There's reds and pinks and holly. It is a care package. Okay, I found the best thing. Go fast. I might have to. I love that you said hey, Lily. I love that you said hey. I don't know what's in the rest of the letter, so I'm just gonna do this. Clock. I'm very sure you will enjoy all of the goodies I packed. I'm glad life has gone how it's gone since it's led to meeting you and becoming your friend. I never really know what to say in snail mail. I could always just so I could just DM you instead. You are a butt. To come, and I can only say I hope this friendship lasts for a long time. Oh, Clock, I'm gonna frame this and it's gonna go like right up there. But yeah, no. I could have made a video of this. There is so much. 48-hour hydration. Fix magic radiance. them! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh! Look! Look! Hocus Pocus! Oh my gosh. Witching hour? Hang on, hang on. Hey. Oh my god, look at these colors. I am actually gonna have to do eyeshadow. Got it. Okay, my makeup game is gonna have to go up. Anybody have any YouTube videos they could send me? Because I need them. My makeup game is off. I got 2 of them! I got 2 Hocus Pocus! You need to, Kit Kat, because I don't know how. Oh! I got lip balm! That is such a pretty color. You know what? I'm not wearing any today, so we're gonna wear some. Oh, it's so shiny! And it tastes like cocoa. I have no idea what that is, but it's kind of yummy. Is that bad? I don't know if that's bad. That is awesome. Oh, it tingles. Oh, it tingles. It plumps your lips. I didn't know that was a thing. Thank you. Oh my, I got 2 of them. 2 different colors. Frick yeah. Look, I got nail polish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is this? What is this? Quick liner for eye intensity. I can do the eye thing. The thing that the girls do with like the black thing and it goes like whoosh. Like the tail thing. I don't know what it's called. But thank you. I know what this is. What is this? White Russian full-on plumping lip cream. Ooh, fancy. Look! It is so adorable! They're lip balms! And it's a metal tin. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there's no way I can go through all of this. You know... During the best stream. Oh, you're so sweet. Okay, so we have a bunch of stuff in here. Hang on, this isn't bubble wrap. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's more nail polish. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. We're supposed to be doing like a crazy stream, and Cap is probably gonna go to bed and is annoyed at me. I'm sorry, Cap. But I got purple and blue. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There is literally just a bag of just stuff. What is this? Brazilian clock. Brazilian bum bum cream? Oh no! Oh no! I'm trying to get to the bottom. Magic cream water. Take the day off charcoal cleansing balm. Ooh. Okay. What is this? Okay. So there is a whole bunch of stuff, and Clock, thank you so much. So you didn't even see the lashes? There's lashes? Damn it. I'm never gonna get into this game. Look! It's a strawberry my strawberry. I'll open that later. Kai, these are called Kai lashes. They're called Kai lashes. That is so perfect. Look how pretty! Flirty hocus pocus lashes. It's red! Oh my gosh. Yes, but there's things and stuff and all the things. Oh my gosh, I have like actual like sponges now. I've seen these. I saw this on TikTok. It's purple. Right, I am keeping my bestie. I am so sorry. Okay, we're gonna go and I'm not gonna it's pink! Right, not getting excited by the multicolor. You can't even see it. Props to whoever gave the gift. These reactions are fantastic. I'm so sorry. And hi, welcome on in. I love your profile picture, by the way. I love the purple hair. Making a matcha? Okay, well, that makes me feel better. That makes me feel better. Look, it's another red. Is a nerd? Jen, you be nice. Okay, with Caps making a matcha, I'm gonna keep going. There was a white box on the bottom of a white box. There was a box on the bottom of a box. What are all of these? Liquid glass. Instant glossing rinse? Oh, silky soft skin apparently. I got shampoo and conditioner. Oh, and a face mask. What else is there? Well, this one I may have to give away. This one is a bronzer and it's paler than my actual skin, but I appreciate you. Hair oil? What's hair oil? Oh, what's hair oil? Oil for your hair? It's hair... Well, yeah, but I mean, like, it makes it shiny. It moisturizes your hair and softens it. Got it. Oh, this is 3-in-1 daily leaf hair treatment enriched with cocoa oil, banana pulp, and peel, and sunflower seed oil. That just sounds good. You work hair oil through the bottom to the top of your hair. Actually, I wonder if that will fix my dead ends. Remember when I made the mistake of bleaching my hair? For charity. And, yeah, that was, I'm still paying for it. And now you know what my hair smells like? Lily, it will help those ends. Okay, Cool. What is this? More shampoo. I'm so excited. Is it bad? I want to go take a shower now just to try out some of the stuff and then go wash my face and then put makeup on just because I can. I'm so happy. What is this? Moisturizing eye balm? Essentially eye cream? Yes! Provides intense moisturizing. Boosts elasticity. It literally has like an exclamation point after the word yes. I love it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, Colosso, I know that. That's the stuff for your eyes. Maybe it's Maybelline. I got this hair mask on the side. It says do not eat, and I was like, who would eat a hair mask? And I opened it and it smelled so good, and I was like, oh, yeah, that would probably be me too. I am not adorable, but I am super excited. Little brow lovers. 24-hour setter. Brow volumizing fiber gel. 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel for brows. I'm curious. My fireworks work! Oh no, I'm losing my voice and I haven't even started stream. I'm so sorry. This looks like a torture device. It looks like an X-Acto pen. What is this? Oh. Okay, maybe I should stop playing with things that I have no idea what they are. Oh my god, I want to get that so bad. You know what it is? Oh. That smells like glue. What is this? It's so tiny! They are pretty and shiny. They are. Oh. Over, under, until the game starts. I'm getting to it. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Hang on. Okay, I got 2 of these. Oh, different website, huh? Look! It's squishy! Squished! While we wait, I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm coming. I'm so sorry. I got distracted and there was stuff in squishies! Okay, just one more. Wait a minute. Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. I like that it's got a bunny on the side because it's cruelty-free. What it does, melts away your makeup while removing impurities and cleansing skin. This balm transforms into a luxurious milky oil. Right. I wasn't gonna look in any more stuff because things and stuff. Look. Oh my gosh. It is so cute. And it's red on the inside. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Julia, you missed so much stuff. And look, I got Hocus Pocus. I can't even talk. But it's shiny. Oh, Julia, look. They're so sparkly.